Hey everyone, today we are checking out these custom molded floor mats for your Jeep Grand Cherokee. These fit 5-seat models from 2022 to 2025, including the 4Z but not WK. Made from high-density TPE material, these odorless liners offer complete all-weather protection against spills and mud. The anti-slip textured surface and secure buckles keep everything in place while you drive safely. This full set includes a durable trunk mat that is heat-resistant and scratch-resistant for protection. Cleaning is effortless since you can just rinse off dirt and sand with a simple water hose. Installation takes seconds, and you can easily flatten any shipping creases with a hairdryer or sunlight. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.